Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Minds web channel. Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, has long been a cornerstone of the global semiconductor industry. As of Q1 2025, the company continues to demonstrate robust financial performance and strategic foresight, reinforcing its position as a leader in the sector. In this video, we will dive into TSMC's recent earnings, stock performance, growth potential, and the risks investors should consider. Before that, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next stock analysis. About Taiwan Semiconductor. Founded in 1987 by Morris Chang, TSMC pioneered the dedicated semiconductor foundry model, focusing solely on manufacturing chips designed by other companies. Headquartered in Hsinchu Science Park, Taiwan, TSMC has grown to become the world's largest pure-play semiconductor foundry. The company serves a diverse clientele, including major players like Apple, AMD, and NVIDIA, producing chips for applications ranging from high-performance computing to automotive electronics. TSMC's global footprint includes advanced fabrication facilities in Taiwan, the United States, Japan, and China, underscoring its commitment to meeting worldwide demand. TSM financial performance. According to data from stockanalysis.com, in Q1 2025, TSMC reported revenue of 839.25 billion new Taiwan dollars, marking a 41.61% increase from 592.64 billion new Taiwan dollars in Q1 2024. Earnings per share, EPS for the quarter, stood at 13 new Taiwan dollars and 94 cents, up 60.3% from 8 new Taiwan dollars and 70 cents in the same period last year. On a trailing 12-month TTM basis, revenue reached 3.14 trillion new Taiwan dollars, a 39.86% rise from 2.24 trillion new Taiwan dollars in Q1 2024. TTM EPS was 50 new Taiwan dollars and 49 cents, reflecting a 52.76% increase from 33 new Taiwan dollars and 5 cents. Free cash flow per share, TTM, also saw significant growth, doubling to 35 new Taiwan dollars and 9 cents from 17 new Taiwan dollars and 91 cents, an impressive 95.94% increase. Gross profit margin is 57.41%, while net profit margin is 41.69%, indicating a very high margin business. Return on assets is 14.33%, and return on equity is 31.65%, which is excellent. Over the past 5 years, Taiwan Semiconductor has achieved a revenue CAGR of 22.2%, net income CAGR of 24.8%, and free cash flow CAGR of 28.3%. This shows that Taiwan Semiconductor has been a proven performer based on its historical performance. TSM 2025 Financial Forecast. Analysts project continued growth for TSMC, forecasting 2025 revenue at 3.76 trillion new Taiwan dollars, a 30.2% increase from 2024's 2.89 trillion new Taiwan dollars. EPS is expected to reach 61 new Taiwan dollars and 22 cents in 2025, up 35.3% from 45 new Taiwan dollars and 25 cents in 2024. Many analysts give TSM buy rating with target price of $232.50, offering 53% potential upside. These figures highlight TSMC's strong financial health and its ability to capitalize on the growing demand for advanced semiconductors. TSM stock price performance and valuation. At $151.74, TSM stock has demonstrated solid performance, with a 9.2% increase over the past year, outperforming the S&P 500's 5.1% gain in the same period. Over the past 5 years, TSMC's stock has surged 182.7%, compared to the S&P 500's 83.6% rise. TSM stock offers a 1.63% dividend yield, providing additional returns for shareholders. In terms of valuation, TSMC's current price-to-sales PS ratio stands at 7.65, with a forward PS of 5.88. The price-to-earnings PE ratio is 18.87 and the forward PE is 13.8. The price-to-free cash flow PFCF ratio is 25.24. Based on FinChat data, compared to the last 5 years, TSM stock is now trading at a lower valuation than its average. TSM's PS ratio is below the 5-year average of 8.59. Its PE ratio is below the average of 21.98, and its PFCF is below the average of 47.89. This indicates that TSM stock is undervalued compared to its historical valuation, while the business continues to grow strongly. TSMC growth potential. TSMC's growth prospects remain robust, driven by several factors. Technological leadership. TSMC continues to lead in advanced process technologies, including 3 nanometers and 5 nanometers nodes, catering to high-performance computing and AI applications. Strategic investments. The company is expanding its global manufacturing footprint with significant investments in the United States, including a $100 billion pledge to bolster its U.S. operations. Market demand. The increasing demand for AI chips and advanced semiconductors positions TSMC to benefit from a projected 11% CAGR in the global semiconductor market through 2029. These factors, combined with TSMC's strong customer relationships and operational excellence, underscore its potential for sustained growth in the coming years. Risks to consider. While TSMC presents a compelling investment opportunity, potential investors should be aware of certain risks. Geopolitical tensions. TSMC's central role in the global semiconductor supply chain makes it susceptible to geopolitical risks, particularly involving Taiwan, China, and the United States. The U.S. has imposed export controls to limit China's access to advanced semiconductor technology, which could affect TSMC's operations and market access. Market concentration. A substantial portion of TSMC's revenue comes from a few major clients, including Apple and NVIDIA. This concentration means that changes in these clients' demand or shifts in their supply chain strategies could significantly affect TSMC's financial performance. Semiconductor industry cyclicality. Another important risk to consider is the inherent cyclicality of the semiconductor industry. Demand for chips tends to move in boom and bust cycles driven by broader economic trends, consumer electronics demand, inventory corrections, and technological upgrades. Despite these risks, TSMC's strategic initiatives and market position provide a strong foundation to navigate these challenges. Conclusion. TSMC's Q1 2025 performance underscores its strength in the semiconductor industry, with impressive revenue and earnings growth. The company's strategic investments and technological advancements position it well to capitalize on the growing demand for advanced semiconductors. While potential risks exist, TSMC's robust financials and market leadership make it a compelling investment for those seeking exposure to the semiconductor sector. What do you think about TSM? Are you buying, holding, or passing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next stock analysis. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.